How to create an account on Rednote, Xiaohongshu. Step by step. Step 1. Open the app. Download and open the Xiaohongshu Rednote app on your device. Click Login, as Rednote does not require separate registration. Step 2. Choose your login method. Select your preferred login method, e.g. phone number. Click the country code drop-down, e.g. +83 by default. Step 3. Select your country code. Scroll through the list and select your country code. For example, select +63 if you're in the Philippines. Step 4. Enter your phone number. Input your phone number in the provided field. Click Next and wait for the verification code to be sent. Step 5. Enter verification code. Once you receive the SMS code, enter it to verify your number. You'll be logged in automatically without additional steps. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.